Hey guys, Vintage Chicken back in action, and today I am recording on my new phone. Today is my birthday. But by the time you see this video, it'll be Halloween. So yeah, basically, I'm going to Pleasure Island today, which is an awesome theme park. I'm going with my friend Jake. I'm going to record there with my new phone. Look at that, it's a Microsoft Lumia 435. And I'm loving it. I got this for my birthday, and I also got a laptop. I got a signed PewDiePie book. Don't forget that. It's amazing, and yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna get changed now. So yeah, I guess I'll see you at Pleasure Island. Right now. I'll see you guys after I've got changed, because this is a vlog. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Shut up. So yeah, see you guys soon as I get dressed. Boom. So I have got dressed. My hair is so bad, like, I don't even know. I can't do anything with it, because it's being cruel to me. But, yeah, my hair actually sucks. I need to sort that, because I need to get a suit fitted soon, because it's my sister's wedding next month. So looking forward to that, I guess. Okay, my hair is literally just so annoying. I don't even know, but yeah. So after I got my suit fitted, I don't know what I'll be doing. But I go to Pleasure Island at 2:30. So look forward to that. Oh my god, that hair though. Look goody. Actually sucks. Like, I can't do anything with it. I'll sort it out, like, before leaving the house, but at the moment it's really not that good. So yeah, basically I need to get my suit fitted in about half an hour. So yeah, I guess see you guys after. So Dad, where are we going?
Precinct, town.
We're going to town.
For suit.
And then after that, we're going to, where are we going afterwards?
Well, see how the time is. We need food. Got to pick Jake up. Got to pick Lou up.
Ow.
Got to get down there.
And then we go to Pleasure Island theme park.
Oh. Hold your little hot camera. Take the old one.
Yep.
Get some snappables. God, my back is itching like mad. It is locked.
I knew that. So awkward.
Yeah.
I'm put.
Take the key out.
Alright, go for it.
Look.
I'm looking.
I'll pick that up then, shall I?
I was just about to. In you go. Okay. And we're in the new car. It is Vauxhall. So many messages.
What?
Got so many messages.
Who?
Vimy and Alicia.
Who?
Vimy and Alicia. People from Wincham.
The personal contract purchase. Customer deposit £3254 with £4747.
For sure.
Then we go to the bank first.
Available on one Mazda 2 models. You will not own the vehicle until all payments are made.
My face looks so pale.
The guarantee may be required. Mazda Financial Services.
Do you know what I thought when I saw
Hello.
nursery? Nursery. I can see it now. I come here with the lovely mobile. This is the sound. Island Teddy.
Peter Waterhome.
What'd you say?
For your growing
I'm meant to get rid of the rubbish out.
or part exchange.
Okay.
Surprised at how easy it is to buy
Okay, now I'm making
2, 3,
this,
and
but
4
okay.
bed houses. To find out, visit peterwaterhomes.co.uk. T&Cs apply.
I don't know. Hello. Hey Jake.
Hey,
Where are we?
Pleasure Island.
Well, yes, we're Pleasure Island. Look at it. Look at it. We're Pleasure Island now, so
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm playing on it.
it's playing on his phone. But look at that queue. That's why we're sitting down, because we have to wait 15 minutes until Pleasure Island actually opens, and the queue is ridiculously big. And the swings are
Imagine if one of the swings fell off.
and they went
and
flying
it-
and hit someone in the face, yeah.
And it killed him.
I've already thought of that. But
Someone's got a knife in his head.
where? Oh my goodness, where?
Somebody stabbed himself.
Oh
in
my
the
god,
head.
there's a guy who's got no head. No, he has got a head, but it's just...
Where's-
Oh, people are going through. People are going through 10 minutes early. Yes, let's go. Let's go to the park. It's 10 minutes early, but who cares?
You can't. You have to wait for.
Jack, put your phone away.
I'm vlogging. I'll be fine,
You two put it away and
Put your phones away.
but I'm vlogging.
what?
I'm vlogging, recording a video. That's why I've got it like this.
You
Jake.
two come in front.
You keep the ones who've got the tickets here, mate, yeah?
Hey Jake. Hey.
Oh.
We're going in, look. Yep, where's my wristband? There's my
sure.
wristband.
That's only when you go on the right, huh?
Oh, okay.
I can't wait to get one.
Where are they? By the way, I said I got the tickets here, mate. He's like, oh, you got a ticket? Yeah, that's fine. I got them, mate.
Yay, we're in.
No, we're sneaking in.
We're in the park. We're at Pleasure Island.
Are we going on that?
Are we going on the swings?
Yeah, I think we are.
I don't know. I like how we pushed in like halfway.
No, we'll say it right at the
Going, isn't it? And it's also dries the seats off.
So what are you going on then, geezer?
What do you want to go on then, Dave?
Oh,
You'll be going Tinkerboo!
you want
No, we're not going on Tinkerbell. You've got no chance. We're not going on that.
Tinkerboo's turned into a mad axeman.
No, sometimes I'm trying to kill them. Very relaxing this music is.
I know. I did. No.
If you get split up and get lost, come back in.
Go near the car.
And we'll walk past and laugh at you.
Hey, Jake. What do you want to go on?
Don't know. Look at that ride.
What
Ali.
ride?
That's Ali.
It's Ali. Ali
That's
Baba.
Ali's ride.
Ali Baba.
That's Ali Hans. Ali. Look, was our best mate called Ali.
Hello.
Well, what 3.5 hours to mangle the ride. Oh look, the Hyper Blaster.
That's not the Hyper Blast. That's not the Hyper
Say
Blaster.
look, Hyper Blaster.
There it is. There's the Hyper Blaster. Pretty big.
Is that Graviton?
The Graviton. The Gravitron.
Well, whatever it is.
You're going to Dodgems.
Dodgems.
You're going on the Dodgems.
Yes.
Dodgems, all that.
I like Dodgems.
Dodgems.
My push already full with my feet.
Sweaty, stinky feet. Juicy trotters.
Okay, I swear last time I came here, the Gravitron was blue.
Yeah, the light we painted was
It was blue, but now it's
a couple of
orange.
weeks ago, the Century 2000 was blue and red. Now it's yellow and green. You see?
The Century 2000's ace.
I love it.
I love it.
No.
Not yet.
Dodgems, they want the Dodgems.
You want the Dodgems?
Yes, we want to go on the Dodgems.
Dodgems are for the big boys.
Yes. Just not the mini Dodgems, because we're too big for them. Just a little bit.
Dodgems! Look at that, that's so nice.
What?
You see people going on around, so like, hello! Like, somebody's watching me. I'm not going on that. I nearly fell out of that.
What, that pirate ship?
Yeah.
Oh, you're such a wuss. I love that pirate ship.
You can go on it, but I don't.
Oh, I'm not going on anything without you. Why are we speaking like this again? I don't know. Who cares? Yay, Dodgems. I have to record like this, otherwise they can't see our faces.
Look, Alakazam.
The Alakazam.
Look at Alakazam.
I like the Alakazam.
Alakazam.
No, I don't actually like the Alakazam. I hate it. It absolutely kills. That right there, it kills your back. It really does hurt. Oh yeah, Century 2000's green and yellow now. It used to be red and blue. Can we go on the Dodgems then? I don't know. Yep. I'm tall enough. You have to be at that line. That line there. Yes.
Yeah, I am.
I think he's red. Be right back, guys. I'm going on the Dodgems. Jake.
Oh, hey.
We just finished Dodgems, didn't we?
Yeah, it took long.
Are we doing it?
No. Let's go, Jake. Let's go. Alakazam, no. Don't listen to him. Century 2000, yes, boys. I'm not going on the Voltar either.
Oh, what?
I can't go on upside down rides.
You can.
I'm telling your sister or you're rubbish.
You're
Come on, me
rubbish.
then. Oh, it's Century.
This is my favourite
Century
ride.
2000.
Yeah?
It is.
I'm not going on that, I'll sit it out. That makes me
Wow.
sick.
You make me sick.
You get the camera then, Luke.
Are we going on
Somewhere
the
in
same
it.
one?
No, my foot. Yeah, sure.
Yay, come on.
Yes. No, we're definitely not.
Yeah,
Yeah, look.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yes,
now.
it's a Century 2000.
Look,
Look. Yes, boys.
Jack's got a brand new phone.
Yes, I got it for my birthday.
Look at the Voltar, jeez. I could not go on that.
Hey, grin.
Pets. You moved.
Oh.
We're taking a picture. Tell us
You're
why
taking
we're
my
not.
picture of me taking your picture.
No, I'm recording. And I'm telling the audience that you're taking our picture.
All right. I got quite a good one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
You're going to be on YouTube now.
I'm going to be on YouTube.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay then.
There's more people going
You're
on.
me, might Luke be dead. Well, Luke be dead.
Imagine you
family.
took the phone on this.
Hey, go on, go on.
I'm
Yeah.
a bit too small.
So we'll be back once we've finished this ride. We we've
So,
just
what are you doing
got,
next then?
we've just got off this ride and I loved it. Did you enjoy watching it? Because you didn't go on it,
yes.
you wuss.
What are
I
you
get
going on
sick
next
if I go on it.
Ha, lol.
What now? Volta!
No, we're not going on
Wimp!
Volta.
Wimp! Volta!
You're a wimp 'cause you didn't even go on that.
Yeah, but I'll go on that.
Go on it then. I'm not.
Same.
So are you.
I'm not going on it. My belly's
So,
like a washing machine.
what to do now then?
Look at that slide though.
I know, right?
That's a bit too tall.
It's a bit dead. Can we go on the slide now?
Oh, go through it. Go on the helicopter side.
What?
Go on then, leg up there and get on that. That's
Yay! Let's go! I wonder if we can actually record our reaction on there. I don't think so.
Probably won't.
Well, that's what I'm not going on. Because it's incredibly scary. Grr, yes,
Look,
grr.
do you want to hear my scary voice? Oh, there
Right.
you go. Astro slide.
So, we'll be back once we've done this awesome slide.
It's not open.
Well, that's unfair because it isn't open. So unfair.
Stupid
So stupid.
person said it wasn't open.
He said, come back later. I don't want to come back there. I want to do it then. But no, it's not even open, god damn it.
It's not.
It's not open. I know, right?
Do you look like a slush puppy, right?
Is there any food? I like food.
I got food, well.
I don't want food.
I want
It'll
Sure.
just rumble in my belly.
Hey?
It'll just go in my belly and just.
In my belly.
stay there.
What's the idea of it? What food? They're all up there.
Can I have a hot dog, please?
Hot dog.
Yes, please.
You want hot dog, Jake?
Nah.
Go on. Get an hot dog.
You want something
No,
to eat?
you want?
In your belly.
You want some?
Fries?
Beef burger,
I'll have
chicken
a
burger,
hot
fries,
dog,
hot dog,
Two
veggie
hot dogs,
burger.
please, darling.
Yay!
Yeah. 4 hot dogs.
3 hot dogs and a burger. Yeah, I don't do hot dogs.
3 hot dogs.
Yes. 3 hot dogs and a burger.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 hot dogs, 1 burger, 1 coffee, 1 hot chocolate.
Thank
Want a
you.
drink?
Please.
No, thank you.
Jack.
Fanta then.
Fancy Jack, please.
Right, Fanta, Diet Coke.
Fanta.
1 Fanta. What do you have, Jack?
Fanta, please.
2 Fanta.
We show a light.
Oh my goodness.
Have you seen my new shirt?
It's a Ronaldo
It's
shirt.
not new. Pretty old.
It's from last year. My hair.
How did you know?
Because I can tell by the stripes.
You know the next World Cup is in Qatar.
Qatar. Qatar. Qatar. Qatar.
Oh, I got it.
Hey, what?
I'll do it myself.
Hey, Daddy. You're on YouTube again. My loopy daddy.
Jack.
Yeah.
Film it.
Yes.
Yeah,
You have funny ears.
I've no spikes on my head.
1 Fanta.
Oh, Fanta, Philly, boo.
Back yours, Jake.
Put that on there, look. Have a straw. Do it the other way, bendy. Oh, bent straw.
Thank you.
1 burger.
Peanuts.
There's
you.
Fanta. That is Fanta, mate.
Oh, chicken.
There, look.
Lovely Fanta.
Look at that Fanta. Fanta.
Yep. You need something there to throw up, but
Lovely
there's no hot
Fanta.
chocolate here, look. Hot chocolate here. And we have a coffee
Yes, we
here.
both got Fanta.
Right.
And it's in a Coca-Cola bottle.
Yeah.
The hot dog machine got turned on.
Oh,
So we're
right.
not ready. I'm afraid.
Oh, lovely. Got burgers instead then?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I do burgers.
Yeah, do 3 burgers then, look. Yeah. Oh, it's not turning that. Can't get the stuff
Turning at the
right.
wall. Not at the machine.
You're lovely.
Silly.
Here's 1 pound.
Oh, thank you very much.
No hot dogs.
No Coca.
Yeah, I'll go burgers then.
Coca-Cola.
60. I think that's a bit too much. You get 3 at pound.
Even the audience is shaking their head.
Well, put it this way, what we've got here is just short 25 quid.
What?
So what we've got here is just short 25 quid. Yeah, that's not including the soccer and the chocolate. Oh, well, no. Was it?
It's the mountain of burgers.
Burgers.
Baba burger, Dick.
No, my burger. My burger.
Billy Boot. Oh, get out. Billy Boot.
Sour ketchup's not
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a burger. Oh, Jake. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a burger. Next to a burger. I am insane. Where's the barbecue sauce? Yum. No, thank you. I don't want it. They do have barbecue sauce, but I'm not having any.
I'm just having a normal burger.
Mustard.
Same burger.
Why are you not having barbecue sauce? You always do.
Because I don't know. Because
Don't
I'm.
believe in a packet.
I know. No, I don't want any. Hello.
Who's he?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a burger. Next to a burger. And I'm gonna eat it now.
I'm waiting till I get outside.
Yum. What? So where can we sit down? I'm off on a bench. See ya.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's out the old road at the back of what used to be back to the village. Where they've got their car park. Yeah.
You recording, Jake?
It's just like killing my microphone.
I know, right? It's killing my arm.
This is where you want to be on the top.
Whoa! That is amazing.
Lou's getting it, it's going to waz it over to him. Whoa!
I'll get as much as I can.
Whoa!
I'm stepping back so the camera can get it all.
You don't get all that in, mate.
This is like incredible.
Best end
Oh,
birthday ever, mate.
Oh yeah.
Birthday, dude.
Thank you.
Down there.
Hey. What's up? Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Boom.